Forms of energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability of a body to do work. Forms of energy. There are the different forms of energy: mechanical energy, heat energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy. Mechanical energy. The energy which is produced in our body due to its position and due to its motion. That energy is called mechanical energy. So the energy which is produced in a body due to the motion of the body, this energy is called kinetic energy, and the energy which is produced in a body due to its position is called potential energy. For example, water running down a stream, this water has kinetic energy inside it. Wind, moving air, also has a kinetic energy. A moving car also has a kinetic energy. And lifted hammer has potential energy. This hammer has stored energy due to its height, so that is why this energy is called potential energy. A stretched bow, catapult, compressed spring, these all have potential energy, and the energy stored in their bodies due to the position of the bodies. Heat energy. Heat energy mostly we obtain from the sun. Heat energy is also produced by the burning of fuel. Heat energy is also produced in our body when we eat the food, and heat energy is also produced when motion is opposed by frictional forces. Electrical energy. We can get the electrical energy from the batteries. We can also get electrical energy from the electric generators. These electric generators produce energy by the hydropower, thermal power, and nuclear power. And this electrical energy can be supplied easily to any desired place through the wires. Sound energy. Sound energy is produced when a body vibrates. For example, vibrating diaphragm of a drum, vibrating string of sitar, and vibrating column of wind instruments such as flute pipe. So, in all of these bodies, the sound is produced due to the vibration in drum, in sitar, in flute pipe. Light energy. The major source of light energy is the sun. Other source of light energy are candles, electric bulbs, fluorescent tubes. Light energy is also produced by the burning of fuel. Plants use this light energy to produce their food during the process of photosynthesis. And human beings use the light energy to see things. Chemical energy is the energy which is present inside the food, in the fuel, and in other substances. Chemical energy is produced by the different chemical reactions. For example, during the burning of wood, coal, and natural gas, different chemical reactions takes place, and during these reactions, heat and light is produced. Electrical energy. Electric energy which we obtain from the electric cells and batteries, this energy is also the result of different chemical reactions. Animals get heat energy and muscular energy from their food. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy which we obtain during the nuclear reactions, such as fission reaction and fusion reactions. And then the energy which obtained during these reactions is converted into electrical energy. The energy which is coming from a sun, from the last billion years is also the result of nuclear reactions which takes place on the sun.